In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for InVideo. Start by opening your web browser and heading to invideo.io. Give the page a moment to load, then look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to the Create an Account page where you'll choose how you want to register. You'll see two simple options: continue with Google or continue with Apple. I'm going to use Google for this walkthrough, but the process is very similar if you prefer Apple. Go ahead and click Continue with Google. A small window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Select your preferred account, then click Continue. If your browser asks you to confirm permissions or verify your identity, just follow the prompts so InVideo can create your account with the details you've selected. Next, you'll be asked to enter a few basic details: your name, a workspace name, and your birth year. Type your name the way you want it to appear in your profile. For the workspace name, choose something clear and recognizable. This is the space where your projects will live, so a descriptive name makes organization easier later. When you enter your birth year, make sure it's accurate. This helps InVideo tailor the experience and confirm eligibility, and it's a standard part of setting up creative tools online. After that, you'll see a short questionnaire about what you plan to create on InVideo. This might include the types of videos you're interested in and your general goals. Choose the options that best fit your needs. These preferences help InVideo personalize templates, recommendations, and the initial layout you see, so picking what matches your workflow will save you time. Don't worry, none of these choices lock you in. You can always adjust them later as your projects evolve. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. That's it. You've successfully created your InVideo account. You should now land inside your new workspace, ready to start exploring templates, tools, and features designed to help you create videos faster. If you followed along using Google, the process will feel seamless each time you sign in. If you prefer Apple, the steps are nearly identical. Choose Apple instead of Google, continue with your Apple account, and fill in the same basic details and preferences. And that's all you need to get started. You're now set up and ready to create your first video with InVideo.